Hello, I'm Marcus Brix with the CattleFax Closing Bell. Today's Closing Bell is sponsored by Zoetis. Despite all you do, BRD can still strike. You work too hard to have it affect your operation. When your cattle stand tall, you stand tall. For products and support to fight BRD, visit zoetisstandtall.com to learn more. This week, the U.S. Senate has approved an agreement to raise the national debt limit by $480 billion. This move comes just 11 days before the federal budget would reach the debt ceiling, triggering a government shutdown. U.S. government shutdowns of at least a week are rare, but more common in the past decade. In 2013, the shutdown lasted 16 days, and in 2018, the government was shut down for 35 days. In the event of a shutdown, many federal services deemed to be essential will continue operation, like meat inspections or federal emergency response. Things like farm subsidy programs and SNAP benefit payments would require special approval and funding to continue during a shutdown. Data services like NAS or WASD are not usually affected in the long run, but gaps in mandatory price reporting data are still obvious from previous shutdowns. One unconventional option for clearing a debt ceiling would be for the Federal Reserve to print more money, or in this case, $1 trillion more. The Fed can, without congressional approval, mint platinum coins of any value. Known as the mint the coin option, it would mean clearing the debt ceiling by printing a $1 trillion platinum coin. Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen is formally opposed to the plan, leaving the budget responsibility to congressional approval in the House. Coincidentally, platinum prices were higher on the week. Spot platinum futures were up $50 per troy ounce to close at the highest price since July. Gold prices were close to unchanged this week, up $1 per ounce, keeping price near the mid-$1,700 per ounce range. Copper and gold prices are down 12 to 15% from earlier 2011 highs, while platinum and silver are down 20 to 25% respectively. Energy markets, including crude oil, natural gas, heating oil, and RBOB gasoline, each set new multi-year price highs this week. Palm oil futures reached a record high price at $1,141 per metric ton, more than double the average price from 2017 to 2020. Cotton futures briefly traded above $115 per hundredweight this week, trading its highest price since 2011. Spot corn futures were down 11 cents per bushel on the week, and soybeans only lost 3 cents on a weekly close-to-close change. Spotlight cattle futures traded higher this week, with both the October and December contract posting gains of over $5 per hundredweight. In the cash, active trade occurred in the South at mostly $123 to $124 per hundredweight, steady versus last week. Fed cattle traded in the North between $122 and $124 per hundredweight live, steady to $1 softer. Feeder cattle traded mostly steady to $2 better, while calves were mixed, plus or minus $2 against the week prior. Thanks for watching. Remember to visit CattleFax.com, become a member, and see the latest market news and analysis.